Okay, today's Tuesday. We're going to go back to our old rhyme recognition one where you give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. Tomorrow we'll do the new one again. So it's like Tuesday, Thursday, we're doing the old one. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we're doing the new one. Sweet treat. You say it. Thumbs up. Sweet treat rhyme. Gray tray. Gray and tray rhyme. Good. Red roof. No, they start the same, but they don't end the same. They don't rhyme. Brown crown. Yep, brown and crown rhyme. Black dog. No. Okay, onset fluency. I'm going to say the word, you repeat the word, and tell me what it starts with. Balloon. Ba. Accurate. A. Location. O. Island. I. Museum. Good. Okay, we're going to blend the body of the word and the coda. Ramp. Ramp. Your turn. Pond. Pond. Left. Left. Belt. Belt. Soft. Soft. Okay, good job. We're going to isolate the final sounds. I'm going to say a whole sentence, and all of the words in the sentence end with the same sound. At the end, see if you can tell me what sound they end with. Ben ran in town. I hope you said n. Okay. Russ hunts snakes. S. Good. Ned made mud. D. Good. Pam swam home. Grace gets bananas. S. Very good. Okay, we're segmenting. That means we need our choppers. We're breaking up the word into parts. Okay, so I'm going to say the word, and then I'm not supposed to chunk it up. You're supposed to chunk it up, but I will help you. Okay, melt. I hope you said elt. We're breaking up the onset and the rhyme, which is the ending part of the word, okay? So we'll do a couple together. Bond. Ba-ond. Sunk. S-unk. Gasp. G is the beginning onset. Asp is the end, the rhyme. Romp. Okay, last one by yourself. Sink. Okay, good job. We're going to add an initial phoneme. Initial means the beginning part, okay, the beginning sound. We have the part ape. Add k at the beginning, and it makes k, ape, cape, okay? Add o to the beginning of ed. O, ed, led. We have ib. add to the beginning, and the word is rib. We have ob, add j to the beginning, and the word is job. Good. We have eat, add f to the beginning, and the word is feet. Good job. Now we're going to delete. We're going to take part of the word away. We're deleting the initial phoneme, the initial sound. We have the word mesh without What's left? Esh. We have the word hike without h. What's left? Ike. We have the word soap without s. What's left? Ope. We have the word cup without k. What's left? Up. We have the word fish without f. What's left? Ish. Very good. Okay, we're going to substitute a phoneme. We're taking away the onset, beginning, and we're substituting it with a different sound and putting it in there. We have the word lake. Change o to and what's the word? Ache, make. We have the word make. Change to t. What's the word? Take. We have the word take. Change t to What's the word? Rake. We have the word rake. Change to ba. What's the word? Bake. We have the word bake. Change ba to f. What's the word? Fake. All right, good job. Today our nursery rhyme was Hickory Dickory Dock. I can't remember if we did that one, so I'm going to just say a line and have you repeat it. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. I think I remember that you knew that one. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.